Okay, let's watch some drift fails.
The Fonda from Adam LZ, but LZ goes for a nice initiation, very intense and input, keeps in control, puts the back end of the E36 into the wall. Harman almost hits him, puts himself into almost a spin. And LZ hit the wheel. To rear arm on the back of that BMW, can he hold on to it? Oh, the wheel now making smoke at a complete wrong angle. LZ absolutely flying, he's staying in it. Oh, the wheel goes under the car.
And the collision between LZ and Pontus Harman. Who caused the collision? That's what's going to happen. Getting in the wall. Look at this. This is dramatic. Oh my goodness.
The wheel goes
under the car. Have you ever seen anything like it? And look at this. Look at the scene.
Spring left the chop.
Screenshot of that. The spring came out of the rear of the car.
Out of the coilover, come out of the back of it.
Oh my goodness.
Look at that.
It felt like forever. Boom. Oh. Keep in mind, that is James Dean driver's side.
Wow, that was a hard hit.
I got the ride I was looking for, I guess. There you go.
Jesus.
Hey, you gotta.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
He's good.
I think I screamed like a girl.
Unfortunately, that hit pushed this area of the car in quite a bit, so much so that you can see that the cage moved drastically inward, wrinkled the floor pan.
Side intrusion.
Yeah. Oh man.
That's alright.
Ben Hobson, this is one heck of a battle. Adam LZ goes hard with that BMW, the Drift HQ BMW. Ben Hobson now transitions out.
Oh!
Holy cow. Wow, that is a hard hit outside zone 2 for Adam LZ.
Oh, he's mad. The man is mad.
That chase position as here, oh boy, and there we go. Oh, buddy! Adam LZ gets up on the wall. Holy cow, got a backside, but look, oh boy.
Oh man, that's a lot.
That is a ton. Just, it's very unfortunate. Watch this.
Yeah, just catches his rear wheel and pushes him up. Wow.
Holy cow, like I said, he knows how to ride a BMX bike.
Wow, this car is destroyed.
Really strange.
3, 2, 1,